sound. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Jorge, I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Clap your hands, very good. So what day is today? What day is today? Monday? No, today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Very good. And the month? What month we are? We are in October. October. Very good, Jorge. October. And what's the weather like today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is rainy. It is windy. How's the weather today? Today is? Look through the window. Today is rainy. It's rainy today. Oh, it's rainy. And the season? We are in winter? No. In summer? No. In spring? No. We are in autumn. We are in autumn. Very good, Jorge. In autumn. Who is in class today? Who is in class today? Who's that? Daniela Alvarez. Is Daniela Alvarez at the school? Yes. Hello, Daniela. Hello. Who's that? Claudia. Is Claudia at the school? Yes. Hello, Claudia. Good morning. Who's that? Alejandro Mendoza. Is Alejandro at the school? Yes. Hello, Alejandro. Who's that? Inés Posada. Is Inés Posada at the school? Yes. Hello, Inés. Hello. Who's that? Martin. Is Martin at the school? Yes. Hello, Martin. Hello. Who's that? Mark. Is Mark at the school? Yes. Hello, Mark. Hello. Who's that? Inés Perez. Is Inés Perez at the school? Yes, it's that. Hello, Inés. Hello. Who's that? Who is? Jorge. Is Jorge at the school? Yes. Hello, Jorge. Hello. Who's that? Daniela Mira. Is Daniela Mira at the school? Yes. Hello. Wait. Hello, Daniela. And who's that? Carlos. Is Carlos at